Greetings, happy Sunday. It's a Build a Boat Sunday here at the boatyard, and I'm doing what all boat building engineering types do on a Sunday. We ponder. I'm sitting here and I'm looking at the frame in place, and I have a problem, and I'm going to share it with you. So this is a techie, geeky, um, nerd-filled episode. So if you're not into that kind of stuff, it's okay to just hit like and then you can turn it off. But here's a problem I have. Okay, so we built the keel, right? That beautiful 26-foot structure over there. And when it was attached, the keelson had a certain profile. If you understand, it was being supported by the temporary supports, most of which are gone now. But it had a certain shape to it, right? And even though the keel is thick as heck and very strong, it still is made of wood and it still flexes. So the problem that I knew I would encounter is how to build the boat, okay? And hoist the keelson in the air, but have it still have the same profile it did when it was, being supported by the sawhorses. So what I had done before we hoisted it in the air and got rid of the sawhorses, basically, all those temporary supports, is I took offsets off the keel. And what I mean by that is, from station point 12, which is that line right there where the bullnose is, where's my finger? That line right there, where the darkened light is, that line right there. That's station point 12. From station point 12 all the way back to, I believe, station point 23 or 24 is a flat line. It's absolutely flat. So the goal is to hoist the keelson and then to make sure that that area from 12 to like 24 to whatever the hell it is flat. Okay? We put the level up there. It should be a zero bubble, or the bubble should be right in the center. But so from 12 on forward, the keelson has a curve, a gradual curve, a nice fair curve. And so what I did is, before I removed it, I took an offset. So I went down from that position. I actually took my string from midway all the way down. When the string just touched the top of that, I took a measurement. And that measurement is way down here. Where is it at? It's right there. You can barely see it. But it says 6 7/8, so 6 5/8. Right? So from the top of the keelson to a level line with the top of that should give me that 6 and some odd inch dimension. And then down there, I did the same thing. I went a ways back and took an offset. So that'll allow me to get the get the keelson in the exact right position that it needs to be in order to build the boat. Now, what happens if I didn't do that and I built the boat just with the natural curve of the keelson? I run the risk of having an extreme difficulty getting my keel attached. Now, it'll attach because I left the frames long, so the frames will have more, wiggle room up or down. And I anticipate, some slight difference, quarter inch, half inch maybe, but not too extreme, because the more that's incorrect, the more likelihood that my displacement will increase. The deeper that keel goes into the water, the more weight the boat will have to displace, and the bigger the sails will have to be, which of course messes everything up. So it's pretty much crucial that we get the keelson in place, elevated, at the same profile it was when it was down below when I built the keelson. So that's just the engineering problem for today. I just wanted to share that with you because that's what I do a lot. I ponder. And, math, engineering, physics, they're all just tools we use to solve problems. And this is not a very difficult one, but just one I thought I'd share on a Sunday. Now, where's my lemonade? All right, thank you guys for watching, and I really appreciate the support. Great questions, great chat room about fasteners, and I'm sure some of you had some jokes yesterday about me videotaping while the guys were working. At any rate, you have to pace yourself if you're trying to do something like this. Can't burn yourself out. Anyway, and by the way, if you're so interested in helping, come on over. All right, until next weekend, peace and blessings.